She's a wild woman. Oh, look at that, Haley. You like your new big wheel rocker?
Rocky, 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 rocky.
What's the table? She's gonna probably have like the beanbag chair in behind her. There you go. Perfect. Thanks. How's that work? Let's see it.
Let's rock it. Rock it. Show Dad how it works. Daddy hasn't seen how it works yet.
Show me.
Rock it.
What does that do? Oh, look. Oh. Okay, ready to sit and spin now?
Alright, wait a sec. Mommy's not quite ready yet. Finish rocking.
Finish rocking, yeah. She did. She is too.
Almost.
You better. Okay.
What?
Sometimes when you go back like that, it loosens. Yeah, exactly.
I think I got it.
Try to lift it up. Does it come up at all? No, the top piece off the.
I am.
No, that's on then. That's good. All right,
Pull
Haley.
those up.
You ready to sit and spin?
Ready, hey?
Hey.
Get all the screws right. Oh, Daddy! Oh.
I put them in right.
No, I don't think you did.
Okay, it's just have her sit and spin. All right, I'll take
Let's
it.
sit on it the right way. There you go. Push yourself around. Show Dad how you do it.
Yay!
Bless.
I can't wait to show Gigi. Gigi's gonna love this. Look at that.
Look at Daddy. Smile at Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi. Hi, cutie pie.
You're moving off it here. This way. There you go. Hold on.
Oh, mama. You're loving it, huh?
Here she is.
Some good toys.
Good Christmas issue for her. Yay!
All right, so that's Christmas 2004. Bye, mama.
Bye.
See you next year. Haley, say bye.
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 Wave to Daddy in the camera.
Wait.
To him.
Okay, it's December 27th. We got a nasty storm last night. Oh, jeez, I just sunk down. Look at this. Oh, man. This is crazy. I don't know how to go home and close now. Look at the grill. Let's see how much snow you can tell we got. There's a branch that fell. Yeah, this car. Haley, what are you doing?
Just trying to look for you.
Hi. You playing in the snow? I got a branch on my car too.
You got a what?
I got a branch on my car too.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Right on the hood.
Uh-oh.
It's just sitting there.
You guys having fun yet?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is what New England's all about.
Every year I say I'm going to buy a snowblower. I think this is the final year. Maybe it's a good insurance policy.
There you go.
My wires here, I had two big branches that pulled my wires down almost to the top of my car.
Hi guys.
Okay.
It's the blizzard of 2005.
Continuing.
Okay, we have 3 feet of snow on the deck that we're in the process of shoveling off. And I gotta get a wider angle on this. So we're gonna get all this snow off the deck because we're expecting another upwards of 10 inches tonight. Hey, I need you to walk in that snowbank right there to show how deep it is.
Yeah.
Right.
Busy.
Alright, tell you what. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna go jump in the snowbank and Heather's gonna video. Should I get Haley out here?
Here's Steve.
Look how deep I am. Can you see it?
Where do I zoom in? Okay, here it goes.
Look, I'll show. I'll walk. It's not too bad out here.
No, it's the drifts that are high.
It's around this side that's really high. But another 10 inches on top of this. But this is
Yeah.
the worst drift we got.
It's right here. Here, put Haley on top of it.
Haley. Come here. You want to go in the snowbank? Falling. Hey.
You ready?
Get her up
Can't
there.
get up there? It's snowing again.
Oh.
Yay, Haley! Wave to Mama! Hi! Yay! Is it snowing?
Give me 5. All right.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right.
Very good.
Okay, ready? No, wait. No. Okay, ready? Jump, Haley!
Jumping down his arms. Come on, jump. Ready? Woo. Woo.
Jump.
Say goodbye,
Haley, say bye-bye, camera.
Mama. Blizzard of 2005.
Hi.
Okay, so it's a couple days after the blizzard of 2005. We got 3 feet of snow, and now we are expecting another up to 10 inches. Look at the garage door. Snow drifts go right up to it. So now we're going to pull Haley around the block for a nice little break from shoveling. So let's go up there. Whoa, Mama's gonna take. Woohoo!
I go down the back.
Okay. Come by fast. Go fast.
Jeez.
Okay, wait. Yeah. I don't know. You're right.
Yay!
Should I race over that?
Yeah. Can you imagine what our parents would say?
Yeah, DSS would take that
Yeah, exactly.
to the bank. Okay, you ready? Now when you come by me,
To get, yeah,
well,
stop.
yeah, and yeah, exactly. Oh, you want to get me? I'll run. I'll give her a good ride.
Yeah.
You hear her laughing?
Yeah.
Ready? You walk to the side.
Back. Okay. All I can see is you. I'm a crappy camper.
Keep falling.
Here she comes again. Woo! Smile! Say hi, Dada.
Haley. Hi. Hey. You want to go inside and go night-night? You having fun? You want all done swinging?
Yep.
You want to get down? Okay.